unboxing your brand new Apple TV 4K. Let's get it up and running in under 90 seconds. First things first, grab your Apple TV 4K and connect the power adapter to the port labeled Power on the back then. Take an HDMI cable and plug one end into the port labeled HDMI, and the other end into an available HDMI port on your television. Ensure your TV is switched on and set to the correct HDMI input. Next, let's power on the remote if it's your first time using it. Open the battery compartment on the back and insert the included batteries. Making sure to align them correctly, the remote should automatically pair with your Apple TV 4K once it powers on. Once everything is connected, your Apple TV 4K will begin its boot up sequence. Leading you to the initial setup screen, you'll see an option to connect and set up. Select this using your Siri remote. Now it's time for the network. Your Apple TV 4K will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network from the list. You'll then be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard, and your Siri remote navigate with the touch surface and press to select. To unlock the full potential of your Apple TV 4K, you'll need to sign in with your Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID email address and password. If you're setting this up for the first time, you might have the option to transfer settings from another iOS device nearby for even quicker setup. Almost there. Once signed in, you'll land on the main Apple TV 4K home screen. From here, you can download your favorite streaming apps from the App Store, organize them by dragging and dropping, and customize your viewing with personalized recommendations, all ready for your ultimate entertainment experience.